Hi, my name is Talia MK, and I am at Money 2.0 conference, Dubai, UAE. And we have Aditi Tomar, partner at A&S Legal, and she is also receiving an award at Outstanding Leadership. First of all, congratulations and thank you for joining us. First of all, tell us about yourself and your organization.
Hi. Basically, I've been practicing law for the last 10 years, and presently, I'm a partner at A&S Legal. And I'm also starting my own firm, which is going live in the coming year. So, it's a new venture. Let's see how it goes. But so far, it has been an amazing journey for me in law.
So, what is like? Are you an advocate, or how can people know that you are different than the others, and how they can come to you?
I'm actually a litigating lawyer, which means that I represent my clients in court. Besides doing other work for them, I represent them in court, which is different from being a corporate lawyer who only help them in documentation and other compliances. I do that, and I also represent them in court as well. So, if you say why they should come to me, that's because I don't know.
You're receiving a leadership award. That means you're doing it good.
Thank you.
I would like to know that for so people from India only can come to you, or you're available outside India as well for advocating or helping them out.
I can help them out in documentations, I can prepare agreements, I can work for negotiations, I can do all those things. As far as representing in court goes, that I cannot do outside India because I'm a legal practitioner in India and laws, as you know, are different in all the countries. So if I have to practice outside India, there are different provisions in different countries. But for now, I can practice like before court only in India.
So, as this experience is something different and new, so what were your expectations before you came here, and how the networking and learning experience has been? Have you earned anything, gained anything from it, and what changes will you bring in yourself?
Well, it has been a very enriching experience because when I came here, I was actually nervous. I didn't know what to expect. All I knew I was getting an award. I didn't know what were the sessions about. But after hearing, I have attended 4 5 sessions since morning, and all of them have been very informative. And I've learned a lot of new things, and also what I'm taking back is I have gained a lot more experience and a lot more confidence.
After receiving such an honorary in Money 2.0 conference for a leadership, how does it feel to be recognized and getting an award for your accomplishments?
It feels wonderful. It feels overwhelming. It has not been very long. It has just been 10 years, and for a lawyer, 10 years is not a very long time. So this is just a beginning for me, and I'm looking forward for many more such awards. And this is just the first one, but it has been overwhelming experience.
So, if anybody who looks up to you and wants to work like you are, what is the one advice you'll tell them to do or not to do?
One advice I would give to young lawyers, especially the first generation lawyers, that means lawyers who from families where nobody else is a lawyer. To them, I would say don't be scared because it is scary. In the beginning, it is scary. All professions require hard work, but for a litigating lawyer, it is particularly scary because we don't know where to start and what to do. So I would just say don't be scared, work towards it. If you enjoy it, you will get ahead.
People who say that it's like when you're a lawyer, how true is it that when you're a lawyer, your studying never gets off? Like you are studying till the end of your journey. Is it true, or is it just a myth?
It is completely true.
I am not a lawyer, that's the reason.
It is true. Laws keep on changing, judgments keep on changing. There are new judgments every day. There are new laws almost, every month, every quarter. So, and there are a lot of interpretations that are coming up. There are senior lawyers who are bringing new interpretation. There are young lawyers who are bringing new interpretation. So you have to be abreast just to be, ahead. So you have to keep reading.
So, how would you tell a new person, for example? See, of course, you cannot always win the case. As you said, you are in the court. You do the court practice. We have watched a lot of movies, so I have an idea about it. So, how, as a person, would you expect anyone or train them a little bit to face with the failure and not to get frustrated? What is that one thing you'll say that, you know what, just
Well, everybody asks me that question because everybody sees movies and serials and they are like, it is not that dramatic. It is not. Yeah.
okay?
The thing is, it is not white and black. It is not winning and losing. It is you have to represent your client to the best of your capability and to the best of his resources and to the best of what you can do in his case. That's all.
So, how about like for I would like to know how about when you come to know what are the aspects you look for in a client? Like you should go ahead with this client is good or right, or what is going on in your mind, or how can you tell other person to what points to keep in mind before taking on a client?
It is very client specific. It cannot be a general advice because each client is different, each client's mindset is different, and what client want from you is also very different. So it has to be very specific. We have to analyze. We take before we take a case, we have a one-to-one meeting. That's when we analyze what the client wants and how the client is, and that's how we strategize going ahead.
So, if anybody wants to collaborate with you or take your advice, how they can reach you?
Uh, you can email me, or I am there on LinkedIn. You can follow me. I'm by the name of Aditi Tomar, partner A&S Legal. You can just follow me and you can drop me a message. I'll reply back.
Thank you so much. As she said, it's not all white and black, and it's not as dramatic as in the movies. I know it's a little disappointing, but that's the truth. So, anyways, thank you so much. Congratulations. And this is Talia MK signing off.